Punkstead by Soft Play, we're going to start on the 4th fret of the A string, which we're going to pick upwards just once, and then the 3rd fret of the E string, which we're going to pick downwards twice. We're going to do that 4 times. Pinky up on the 6th fret of your E string, and we're going to do that 4 picks, down, up, down, up. And we're going to play that round 3 times. Then the 4th time we're going to start the same, but it's going to have kind of an alternate ending. So we're going to do the same just twice. Then we do those same notes but both just once. Then you're going to jump over to your D string fret 5, and we're going to play 5 to 6. Shift down a string, exactly the same frets on your G. Down a string but backwards a fret, so 4 and 5 on your B. And then shift down again to just your E string at fret 3. So the 4th time round we're playing. Cheers for watching, guys. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.